If your body feels tight, stiff, or older than your age, it's not lack of strength, it's lack of mobility. And today, I'll show you the 5-minute routine that will unlock your joints, boost flexibility, and reset your entire body. Ready? Let's move. Start with your neck. Slow, gentle circles. Take your time. No rushing. Feel the stiffness melt as you breathe. Roll your shoulders back. Nice and wide. Unlock the tension caused by long screen time. Let your arms swing freely. This wakes up your upper back and chest. Place your arms out. Twist gently left and right. This boosts spinal mobility and reduces mid-back pain on the floor. Arch your back, then round it. This lubricates your entire spine. Big circles. Your hips store stress, loosen them up. Pull one knee in. Feel your lower back decompress. Rotate your ankles, both directions. Healthy ankles improve your entire posture. Circle your wrists. Perfect for phone users and office workers. Arms overhead, sweep down. Smooth and controlled. Open your chest, squeeze shoulder blades. Feel the front of your body expand. Lean to one side. Then the other. This unlocks your obliques and ribs. Relax your upper body. Let gravity do the work. Step one leg back. Sink gently. Perfect for desk workers. Sweep and stretch your hamstrings. Slow and controlled. Sit low. This is the king of mobility positions. Leg across your body. Twist gently. Touch opposite hand to foot. Good for coordination and mobility. Lean forward into a wall. Let your calf lengthen. Arms up. Deep breath in. Exhale and relax. Your body is officially unlocked.